Hello. Welcome to this new video where we're going to be diving into such an important and such an impactful topic: how to build confidence as a female founder. My name is Rachel Whittaker. I'm a visibility coach and I specialise in working with creative independent business founders just like you. I teach you to raise the visibility of your business so that you can reach a bigger audience, sell more product, and make the change and difference in the world that you really desire. Oh my goodness, there are so many elements to building and scaling your dream business, aren't there? Blows your mind. But I think one of the most daunting and one of the most challenging has to be putting yourself out there and becoming a more visible founder. And that's why I want to go deep on this today. I want to really help you build your confidence in this hopefully inspiring and motivating video. So I've spent over 20 years working in high-powered sales roles for a combination of corporate and independent businesses. And way back at the start of that career, I was lucky enough to be taught how important a personal brand was, how powerful getting in front of people was when it came to generating sales. So I'm in a really good place with loads of experience and loads of expertise that I'm desperate to share with you here around how you can do the same. Over the last 6 years, I've coached hundreds of founders just like you to find your voice, to find your style, and to find your confidence. So if you've been searching and been frightened, worried, feeling vulnerable and not sure how to build your confidence as a female founder, then you are in the right place. I think the best place to start when we're thinking about how to build our confidence is to actually analyze why we lack that confidence. You know that up-leveling your visibility is going to help you scale your business. You've heard so many people tell you this before. You can see it working in other businesses around you, yet you're still not doing it. Something is holding you back. So what is that? Is it a fear that you just don't look good enough? Are you anxious that when you open your mouth or when you become visible, you're going to put people off, drive people away from your business? Are you petrified that you are going to say the wrong thing? You're worried about embarrassing yourself, letting yourself down? Or are you just scared that you just don't know what to say? Now, you could be feeling one of those. You could be feeling a combination of those. You could be feeling all of those. So much of the work I do with my clients is about coaching you through these closed and negative mindset issues around visibility. I am always here to provide you with the tools and the confidence to unlock you. You're unique. You're non-duplicatable. That's seriously powerful. So we just have to negotiate these mindset issues in order to be able to give you the confidence to step through those. So I want to do that with you right now here on this video. Let's take all of those reasons we've just gone through that mean you may not want to do visibility, and let's reframe them here together. You don't need to look like a celebrity in order to become a visible founder. Your customers don't want you to look like a celebrity. They want to see someone and connect with somebody who's going to understand them, who looks like them, who resonates with them. So if you're worried you don't look good enough, you look right for your customer. Your job isn't to please everybody when you become a visible founder. You can't please everybody. Those people who truly align with your values, your mission, your vision for your brand, the reason you're doing what you're doing, they are going to love you. They are going to listen to you. They are going to read about what you're doing. They are going to absolutely want to hang out with you. It doesn't matter if there are some people who don't want to do that. They don't align with you anyway, so they would probably never ever buy your products. So if you're holding back on visibility because you think you're going to put people off, no, don't worry about it. You'll put off the ones who won't buy from you anyway, and you will truly magnetize the ones who will want to buy from you. Now, as for thinking about and being scared of what you're going to say, you know your ideal customer. You know them inside out, back to front, upside down. You're building your brand on them. So if you take some time to think about that, you know what they want to talk about. You know what lights them up. Those are the things that you could be talking about. You can never be short of things to say and talk about. Now, just in case I haven't managed to convince you about what you can talk about there, I've got you back on it because I have got a free Fast Start Visibility Masterclass. It's less than 15 minutes long, and in it what I'm going to teach you is exactly how powerful being a visible founder is when it comes to growing and scaling your business. But I also give you one fast start, quick technique which will help you to identify a range of topics that you can talk about in your content that will resonate and magnetize with your ideal customer so that you can become more visible with confidence. So if you want to download that masterclass, it's if you go to the show notes, you'll find a link. You can grab hold of it, download it, dive into all that goodness, and then you will have all those topics behind you so that you can get out there, be more visible, and start talking to your ideal customer. Now, I've created a graphic for you that will help you to remember exactly what we've been talking about around this visibility mindset. I'm going to bring it up on the screen in a second, and I'm going to freeze the screen because I would love you to take a screenshot of it. I would love you to print it off and stick it on your pinboard behind your desk, somewhere highly visible, or maybe put it as your screensaver on your computer or your phone. Read it every time you're going to create a piece of visibility content. Every time you want to be out there and become more of a visible founder, read this graphic first so that you feel totally inspired and motivated. So if you're ready, finger at the ready to screen grab, yeah? Okay, I'm putting it up now. Did you get it? It's a good one, isn't it? I know, I knew you'd love it. So you are the USP of your business, okay? You are the heart, you are the soul of your business. You make your business different, noticeable, memorable. You're absolutely your biggest asset. So I understand that it's painful and challenging to put yourself out there. But what a waste of your biggest asset if you don't. I know it's difficult work. It's why I do what I do. It's why I am a visibility coach, to make sure you're not wasting this asset. So here is a message straight from my heart to yours. I know you can do it. And I know exactly what amazing results this visibility will generate for you. And I know how to coach you to achieve it. I am a coach who is all about implementation and results. So if you have taken your precious time to watch this video, if you feel inspired to take action and then you go away and you don't, neither of us wins. I always want you to take what you've learned in these videos, implement and reap the rewards in your business. So I'm guessing you have questions. Visibility is challenging. It's difficult. We're making ourselves very vulnerable, and that is very difficult to deal with. So I want you to post those questions in the comments. I am watching this video. I am going to be back to you like that, seriously, because I want you to have the confidence to implement what we've talked about, to build your confidence as a female founder and to become more visible. Tap into this powerful, limitless asset that is you. So please pop those comments in there and I will be back to you. Whoa, that was a pretty deep one, wasn't it, today? So look, you now know how to build your confidence as a female founder. A lot of it is all here in the mindset work that you need to do. Stay tuned. There are more videos going to be loading in, and we are going to be deep diving into even more high visibility strategies that are going to enable you to reach that bigger audience, sell more of your incredible products, and just make that impact on the world. The reason, achieve what you set out to do when you launched your business. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope it was inspiring and motivating. Don't forget, you can download that masterclass, that free masterclass, from the notes here on the video. Become more visible, ladies. Mwah! Loads of indie hugs and love. Bye for now.